Welcome to our guide on decorating your informal garden. In the next 5 minutes, we'll show you how to use various components to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space. Let's get started. First, you'll want to lay the foundation of your informal garden. Pathways made of gravel or stone can meander through your garden, guiding visitors along scenic routes. Garden borders will help define different areas, and lawn spaces provide open areas for relaxation and play. Now, let's add greenery. Planting beds are perfect for a variety of flowers and plants. Mature trees offer shade and vertical interest, while ornamental shrubs and perennial beds bring color and texture to your garden. Ground covers can fill in spaces and suppress weeds. Fences, trellises, and arbors add structure and privacy while supporting climbing plants like vines and roses. To create restful spots in your garden, place benches strategically for relaxation and contemplation. Pergolas and informal gazebos offer shaded areas for outdoor gatherings. Now, let's add some personality to your garden. Decorative garden ornaments, water features like ponds or fountains, and rock gardens add character. Garden lighting can enhance nighttime enjoyment, and wildlife habitats like birdhouses and butterfly gardens attract nature's beauty. Finally, don't forget the finishing touches. Garden statuary, such as sculptures and figurines, can complement your garden's theme and style. There you have it. By incorporating these components into your informal garden, you can create a space that's both relaxing and visually appealing. Remember, the key is to blend these elements harmoniously to achieve your desired atmosphere. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.